Hello, I'm Joshua Newby, and I'm the director of the Ontario Firearms Smuggling Enforcement Team, or OFSET. Our team consists of intelligence officers, analysts, and criminal investigators who conduct complex firearms smuggling investigations throughout the province. This includes when firearms or firearms parts are brought into Canada through illicit means. For example, OFSET recently completed investigations leading to the seizure of multiple restricted and prohibited firearms, overcapacity magazines, ammunition, weapons, narcotics, counterfeit currency, and numerous police-marked paraphernalia and uniform components. We are proud to report that as a result of the work OFSET does, smuggling and firearms charges were laid against two separate individuals. Both are still in custody. OFSET, along with its partners across the CBSA and in other law enforcement organizations, works tirelessly to stop the flow of firearms and other contraband from entering Canada to keep our communities safe. Thank you for watching and stay safe.